We're going to talk a little bit about programs here, and those who have known me for years always stop and they understand that I am death on having the on-the-shelf solution looking for a problem to solve. I really don't like those. But now, having said that, I do have some programs, but the intent of these programs are to be tailored. There's a skeleton here, but all programs are tailored to meet your needs. I mean, let's face it, every organization is at a different point in their leadership life. So what works for one won't work for another. But let's talk quickly about the programs. Strategic Leaders Program, senior leaders. They are probably the most ignored group when it comes to leadership development. Here's what happens. They've made it through that first line supervisor, second line, third line. Suddenly they're the fair-haired child. They're being moved across the company. They learn everything about the organization, but they don't know how to think strategically. They don't understand the elements of organizational power. They don't understand how to lead an organization. That's what the Senior Leaders Program is all about. It's thinking strategically. This is not for your mid-level manager. This is for those people who are, no kidding, expected to make strategic decisions for an organization and move it. And we have individual coaching. I've talked about individual coaching in some other places, but that's highly specialized. That I start with literally an assessment. I have to. You can tell me where you are. I can walk around and have people also tell me where they think you are. So I assess where you are, and let's put a handle on exactly where we need to go from here. So individual coaching is highly specialized. It's really geared to this is very proactive. It's geared to making you become an exceptional leader. More importantly, individualized coaching always morphs into a mentorship. Mentorship means that now you call me. It is reaching back to me for how am I doing, coach. And third, there's a cohort coaching program. The cohort program is uniquely designed for people who are either in the same industry or in the same company. The idea is that they can ask questions that someone else didn't think of or were afraid to ask. There's a certain strength in numbers, and this is specifically well designed for those who you have deemed as your high potential employees. Something you should really consider. So there you have it, the 3 coaching programs. Some combination of all 3 may be in your best interest. Now, I would be remiss if I didn't tell you that the best companies, the best of the best, do use all 3. So you have some decisions to make. What works for you? What works for your organization? How are you going to dramatically exceed your goals? How are you going to leverage the talent of the leadership that you have? You have some decisions to make. Give me a call.